morning.
Good morning!
4:30 a.m. and we are on our way to the mountains. Alright, let's start. Oh, the trail looks nice from the beginning. Wow, it's starting really nice. It's very atmospheric from the beginning. What are you doing? Removing the nets?
Yes,
It looks like it's just us actually hiking from this starting point at least. We started, it was already a little after 6. Now we get to the road for a while. Not sure where is the trail going. Well, obviously, as you can see, it's not being used. Some stuff is growing just in the middle of it. Yeah, hiking at this time of the year is not an easy task. You obviously have to start as early as possible to avoid the main heat. Ideally, it would be to finish before the noon. And obviously, the insects are trying to eat you at every step. I wonder what that buildings are. Seems to be abandoned, and something like a little dam over there. Let's continue. Oh, it's getting more and more beautiful here. We're walking along this river for a while now. Oh, that's a beautiful spot. We're gonna cross there to the other side. You wanna take shower? Go naked? Ah, how beautiful. And circling. So basically a stick is the equipment every one of you should have while hiking in the summer or autumn, because plenty of spiders nets everywhere. Quick break and then we're gonna continue. We didn't see anyone yet, so it looks like it's just 2 of us hiking this trail today for some reason. I wonder why. I mean, in general, in summertime, a little bit less people hiking, I would say. At least less casual hikers, because the addicted ones like us has to hike no matter what. 40 degrees heat or snow, it doesn't matter. You got to go to the mountains. Keep working hard with the stick, and we're gonna cross the water stream again. Oh, look how beautiful. Like a fairy tale. Looks like remains of something. There's definitely a stone wall built here by the human hand. I love this kind of areas. Oh, look to the right, babe.
Wow.
The river there is beautiful. Another wall which is covered partially now by the ground and then branches. And here as well, possibly remains of the old village, rice terraces, who knows. Lots of history here in the mountains. Looks like some, I think this is the flower actually. After this will be like a red color, like a proper jungle. How spectacular is this canyon here. Look at that tree, it grows like a down and up again. Alright babe, that way, up. Oh wow, to the right. Looks like there was some damage here during the rain season. In terms of horseflies, which were trying to eat me alive during my last hike, we still got them today, but much less than last week. Here, as you can see, the trail partially collapsed. so there's a little detour over here. And now it gets even more beautiful. You got new stick?
Yes, new stick. More strong.
More strong. Wow, really love that. Oh, look at there. Sun is getting higher already. This is gorgeous, isn't it? And here's another structure. Most likely it was used to make a charcoal. It's like a constant fight with this insect, right? And now this way. Should be not more than about 15 minutes to the top, to the first stop, because we are planned for today 2 peaks actually. The insects are continuously trying to eat us alive. Even I got this Catalasenko, the thing which creates the smoke, which is supposed to protect, but it's not strong enough. The sweat brings happiness to our faces. We got one of the highest antennas in Fukuoka prefecture here on this peak. Here's the horsefly, one of the biggest. The guy put the antenna here. There's actually a storm today in the forecast. Oh, there's a nice viewing point here. Welcome to Mount Kusembu. Look like a Bedouin. Yeah, it's a little bit foggy there, so the view is maybe not so spectacular, but the hike was spectacular, really nice. Well, it still is. We're still proceeding to the next, and we get to be fast, not to get caught by the storm. So yeah, we are here on this viewing platform, which is on the top of the mountain. Over there you can see plenty of these antennas, and in the distance, with the radar, with the white radar on the top, we can see Sefuri mountain. This is the highest in Fukuoka prefecture. We're gonna go there also one day. Yeah, so we are on our way to peak number 2. Babe, now we can see the Sefuri-san, Sefuri mountain, just in front of us there. Peak number 2 just ahead of us. Oh wow, looks like a viewing point. Maybe even abandoned, because it's just right here in the middle of nowhere. But the construction itself looks actually not so old, to be honest. Let's go upstairs. That's a big surprise. Mountain number 2.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Wow, seriously, this looks abandoned for some reason, and it's overgrown. You can't see anything anymore. But actually I've seen a similar situation in Oita prefecture when I was hiking. That was the viewing point, overgrown, just abandoned basically. Maybe just people doesn't like this trail for some reason, doesn't come anymore. And then they stop cutting the trees, so there's no view whatsoever now anymore anyway. So spent lots of money for this for nothing. Let's go towards the end. You see, there was even like a sort of steps here before. Here's another example of the abandoned road. It used to was going this way. And as you can see now, it's just completely overgrown. And yeah, it's removing the spider nets. That's her job. But she's not doing this job very well actually, because I'm much taller and I still collect many spider webs. Oh, look at the view here, over the bushes. I think about 30 minutes to the car park. Yeah, and obviously then lower we are, then the heat is much stronger. Yeah, look at the plants, they are higher than both of us. Still smell nice. Looks like there was some sort of abandoned restaurant here.
Restaurant?
Yeah, I think so. See?
Look, there's a pig.
Yeah, toilets. There was a garden here, you can clearly see. The rock garden. This was the car park for that area, and then you can even see that place where you pay for the ticket.
There's no way there.
I'm surprised.
Oh, before there's a bus coming here.
There's a map of this area. I wonder why they closed this down. Well, probably the people were not coming to keep the business running. That's what I like mostly. Exploration, finding abandoned places like that. Alright, let's continue back. So we are almost back at the car park. I think another 10 minutes, 15 tap. It was great adventure, Ria. Even though it is hot as hell and the insects are trying to eat us, well, they're still trying to. Love adventure. Plus, this unexpected discovery at the end. See you in the next one.
See you next one. Bye bye.
I wanna show you the real me. I wanna show you I wanna know that you feel me. Don't wanna show you.